Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cooking lamb curry with potatoes and dal puri. My oil is heating up. I'm gonna mix the masala. I have onions, garlic, and wiri pepper in here. And to that I'm going to add my curry leaf, curry powder, and garam masala. I'm gonna give that a mix. I add a 1/4 cup water to this. Now I'm going to bungee the masala. We're gonna let this bungee until the oil separates from the masala, and then I will be ready to add the meat. Now I'll add the meat. I have chicken seasoning and black pepper in here and green onions. I'll add that. I'll give this a turn. And I did not add any salt yet because the chicken seasoning have salt. So I'm gonna check later on to see if we need to put salt. Now we're gonna cover this and let the meat cook with the masala, and then we'll add the water later on. It's 3 minutes now. We'll leave it for another 5 minutes, and then we will add the water. So it's been 10 minutes now. We're going to add boiling water. Now we're going to continue cooking the meat until it's half cooked, and then we will add the potatoes. So I'm going to cover this and continue cooking. I'm going to mix the flour for the dal puri. I have my flour and baking powder. Now I'm gonna add the oil and water. And I'll keep kneading the dough for 10 minutes. I'll finish kneading the dough. Rub some oil at the bottom. And I'm gonna place my dough. Gonna cover this and leave it for 1 hour. Now I'll add the potatoes. And I will have to add more boiling water. I'm gonna cover and continue to cook until the potatoes and the meat is fully cooked. For the dal puri filling, I already have the dal here. I boil it and grind the dal, and now I'm going to add turmeric, cumin, and salt. I'm going to give this a mix. And to this I will add green onion, grind garlic, and wiri peppers. Give that a mix. And this fork is not doing a good job, so I'm gonna use my hand. You want to make sure you mix the filling well. It's an hour now for the dough. We're going to cut the dough to the size we want our dhalpuri to be. We're gonna make them a little bit bigger today. Gonna roll out my dough. Just knead it for a minute. This curry is smelling so good and it's looking delicious. The potatoes still need more time to cook, so I'm going to add more boiling water and we're going to continue cooking. Now we're going to put the dal filling in the dhalpuri. Like so, and we're gonna cut off the extra. And this one is ready. And we're going to continue this until we're all done. And we're all done. Time to roll the roti. And the curry finished cooking. Check the potatoes. Boil perfectly. So I'm just going to move it to the other side and we'll start to make the dhalpuri. And I'm being careful because I don't want to break the dough. Now we're going to rub oil. I'm going to rub oil on this side. This one is done. This is done. This is done. This one is done. Please don't blow up. Okay, this one is done. This is done. And this is the last roti. And the last roti is done. Here is my dhalpuri with lamb curry and potatoes. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.